How to create a Klarna account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can create a Klarna account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create a Klarna account, first of all, just make sure that you have downloaded the Klarna application from your App Store or your Play Store respectively. Then once you've done that, I want you to open the Klarna app. You're going to see this type of interface where first of all, you have to select the region that you live in. So make sure to select your appropriately region over here, right? Once you've selected the region, just select them, then just tap the create account button. Now all you have to do is just make sure to enter the email address that you'd like to use for your Klarna account here, then just tap the confirm and continue button. After that, it's going to send a verification code to your email. So just go ahead and log into your email no matter whichever mailing app you use, whether you're using Yahoo or whether you're using Gmail or whatever else. You're going to most likely receive a verification link, so just refresh it a couple of times until you receive the verification link on your email. So as you can see at the very top, I have received a link. I'm just going to tap on the link, and then here I'm going to go ahead and copy the code. Once I've copied the code, I'm going to come back and then I'm just going to paste the verification code. Then it's going to confirm automatically, and now you can see it says we're processing information, and now you can see it's just going to ask you to enter a phone number. So if you want, you can add a phone number to this, or you can just cross this out, and then once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and successfully create your account. This is simply how you can create a Klarna account. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.